kit on that I made. Welded diff, tranny in the back, 700 horsepower also. So I've got it ethanoled out, and I've got a set of burners on. I'm just gonna take it easy on the first couple laps because I haven't drifted this year, simple as that. So I'm gonna see what happens. I'm really hyped because drifting is my favorite thing to do. Let's get it. Okay, here we go. So nice. I didn't spin out or nothing. The car feels so good. Yo, for real, that was awesome. I wasn't getting a bunch of tire smoke, but I had good car control. I spun out a couple of times, but honestly, like, it's slaying. It's really, really doing good. I'm having fun. That's all that matters, man. So that worked out really good. This is a huge event. Like, there is people everywhere. Huge car show, huge amount of drift cars, huge amount of race cars. It's pretty sweet. Vipers, R8s. Pretty sweet. The car worked really freaking good. So I hate to change things because it works so good. The only thing is it didn't smoke tires like crazy. And I can't use third gear because third gear might be hurt in the transmission. So I'm going to lower the rear wheel PSI by 5 PSI. And I've raised the rev limiter by 500 RPM. I was at 7,000 RPM, but now I'm at 74. So let's go with that. Have some fun, and like, it's ripping. So, and it's not eating the tires, which is kind of convenient. It's just so fun. E85's in it, so it's staying super cool. EGTs are literally 1,000 Fahrenheit. That's nothing. When I do drag pull, it's literally 1,400. So things are looking good. All right, see you out there. at that. Ate some freaking dirt. Look at that. That's hilarious. It just shaved it right up. Thanks, brother. Did you see it go?
I saw it go, yeah. I was like, what the fuck is this? Yeah. Right on, that's cool.
Does it sound good?
Yeah, it's cool.
MX3 MX3? MX3.
Yeah.
Just a little explanation as to why he got this. That car is a mid-engine, rear engine? Mid-engine, which is basically an MR2, aka known as the Widowmaker, or a Porsche. And it is not easy to drive, and I was actually very impressed today. And I hope you guys were too, because that thing is wild.